you? Yeah, right on time. Hello there, good to see you again. Well, we'd better get on with it, because we never have long enough, do we? This is what's coming up in today's show. There's how to turn an old sweet box into jazzy sculptures.
And how about this? Molly's limited air colours to black and white in this abstract art attack of a sun. An unusual choice, but it makes a real impact.
Brilliant. Hey, what a really unusual abstract design from Molly. You know, I like looking for unusual objects to make abstract sculptures out of, and I think I've found a good one. This sweet box. I think this has got a really good jazzy shape, perfect for making a jazzy dude.
Using a wax crayon or oil pastel, turn your sweet box into a jazzy dude's body by drawing on a suit jacket. Now this one's double-breasted with a nice wide lapel and 2 lines of buttons. And you can add on a shirt with a collar and a smart-looking tie. And when you're happy with your design, paint it. Paint the jacket and the tie black. And when you've done it and it's dry, you'll be able to see the wax design through the paint. Then give them a white shirt and pick out the jacket's details in white. Now correction pen works really well for this, but you could use white paint. Go around those lapels and go around the buttons as well in the same way, and then you can add on some white pinstripes. For arms, cut out long thin triangles from black card and again add on some white pinstripes. Then bend each one in the middle for an elbow, and then again near the pointy end for a hand. And add on a little bit of glue to the fat end, and then stick it to the shoulder of your jacket. On it goes, press it into place, and if you do the same on both sides, you'll create 2 abstract-looking arms. For a hat, cut a diamond shape out of thin black card and glue it to the top of the box for the hat's brim. On goes the glue, on goes the card, and there you have the brim of a hat. For the main part of the hat, cut 2 triangles from black card and add a white stripe to one edge of each. Then, on just one of the triangles from the edge with the white stripe, cut a slot just off-centre. You don't have to be too precise about this, so that you can now slot the 2 triangles together. And if you run a bit of glue along those edges, you can stick it to the brim to complete the hat. Finally, the feet are just 2 card triangles, this time with white gangster-style shoes painted on. And just glue those to the underneath of the box.
And there he is, a real jazzy dude. Cool, eh? And you don't have to make them black and white. Look at these dudes. He's an all-American dude with a rounded hat that have even cut the top of the box at a jaunty angle. And this one's a summer dude. And this one's a posh dude. And I will see you next time. Ta-da.